हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं बाइनरी का इन ऑर्डर, प्री ऑर्डर एंड पोस्ट ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल। सो एज यू आर अवेयर कि इन ऑर्डर में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू प्रोसेस द रूट का लेफ्ट नोड, देन यू प्रोसेस रूट नोड, एट लास्ट यू प्रोसेस रूट का राइट नोड। प्री ऑर्डर में यू प्रोसेस रूट नोड फर्स्ट एंड देन लेफ्ट देन राइट, एंड इसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू प्रोसेस द लेफ्ट नोड, सॉरी दिस इज पोस्ट, yeah, you process the left node, then you process the right node, and at last you process the root node. So so this is the recursive approach. This is pretty easy to code, but इसका iterative approach is a bit difficult, tricky. सो आओ देखते हैं मैंने कैसे इस एक फंक्शन को यूज़ करके सभी इन ऑर्डर, प्री ऑर्डर एंड पोस्ट ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल को हम कर सकते हैं यूजिंग दिस वन सिंगल iterative अप्रोच. So इसमें if you see recursion में what we have done is every root node has every root node has different states. So let's say this is state 0, right? This is state 1, this is state 2, and at last is state 3 where the recursion ends. We can write return here. So every node goes through this different state 0, then state 1, where the in case of in order, state 0 is when you push the root ka left node. So when root ka left node enters into recursion stack. State 1 is when root node is handled, like whatever you want to do with the root node, you do that. And state 2 is when root ka right node enters into the stack, that is the function stack, recursion stack. And at step 3 the root node exits out of the recursion stack. ये 4 डिफरेंट स्टेट्स हैं. अब इसको हम आइटरेटिवली कैसे कर सकते हैं कि हमने सी रिकर्शन स्टैक इज नथिंग बट अ इंटरनल स्टैक. तो अगर हमको आइटरेटिवली करना है, वी कैन जस्ट रेप्लिकेट दिस थिंग. हम यहाँ पे एक अपना स्टैक बना लेते हैं और उस स्टैक में वी कैन क्रिएट अ पेयर. एंड पेयर में आप क्या करोगे कि आप जो like the node and the state at which that node is, you can maintain the state of a node, right? And you push the root node with state 0, that is you entered into the recursion, and right now your root node is at state 0, that is first of all it will process the left node. So आप उस टैग में से जो सबसे टॉप पर वैल्यू होगी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टेक दैट आउट, you check if that value is null, then do nothing, just go to the next iteration of the while loop. Otherwise what you do is, see here, if root is null, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, if root is null then do nothing. So यहाँ पे do nothing वाला पार्ट ही आ गया. Otherwise what we are doing is, when first of all we update the state of this root. So right now the root was at state 0. Now we'll push a root node again back in the stack with state 1 plus the last state. And then if root का state was 0, then it means we have to basically push the root का left node in the stack. And when root का left enters in the recursion, that again will enter with state 0, that will have a state 0. तो we if the root का node, if root node का state is equal to 0 right now, then we push root का left in the stack with state 0. If root का state is 1, then we just simply add that value in the list. We have to return the list in this case. And if the root का state is 2, then we simply push root का right in the stack with again state 0. Otherwise we just take root out from the stack, state number 3. We just take else, so state 0, state 1, state 2, and else में we just take root out of the stack. And this is it. ऐसे करते करते हमने इस पूरे रिकर्शन को आइटरेटिवली मैप कर लिया. जो भी स्टेट्स होते हैं, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स होते हैं रूट नोड के, हमने उनको आइटरेटिवली मैप कर लिया. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू सी इफ दिस कोड वर्क्स. Yeah, so this code works definitely for in order at least. Now let's try to do the same code for pre-order. Pre-order में the only thing which you have to change is the ordering, the state का ordering. So pre-order में zero state is zero state पर you handle the root node. One state पर you handle the left node. Second state पर you handle the root का right node. and on the state number 3 you take the root node out of the recursion stack or your in memory stack, whatever you have. So here the ordering will change. At state 0 we are handling the root node, so whenever we are handling the root node, just make it state 0, and whenever you're handling the left node, make it state 1. Wherever you're handling the right node, make it state 2. It is state 2 here only. And else, that is when the state is 3, you just take that node out of the stack and pop it. Let's see if this works. Right, so pre-order भी ठीक काम कर रहा है, and let's now try to do it for the last one. Here let me change the name first, post order. And here if you see the state is, first of all left node will process, and then right node, and the last, that is state number 2 per the root node will be handled. And state 3 again you take the node out of the stack. So state 0 is left is state 0, right is state 1, root node is handled at state 2, and on the state 3 you just take it out of the stack. See, so all these in order, pre-order, and whichever order you want, you can handle using this approach. Yeah, so if you have any doubts in this implementation, you can ask in the video, like a video के नीचे mark कर देना, comment कर देना. I'll revert to that. And if you like the video, just just press the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel as well for more such upcoming videos. Thank you.